How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video. Today we have the Huawei P30 Pro. I've been using this for about a week or so now, and I'm here to bring you some of the features and reasons why I believe this should be your next smartphone. Let's check them out. So first up on my list of favorite things about the new Huawei P30 Pro is the battery. And not only does the P30 Pro comes with a big 4200 mAh battery, it also uses AI power saving technology to keep it powered up for up to 2 days without the need to charge it up. With a 7nm Kirin 980 processor, the P30 Pro is super efficient. So for example, background apps won't be draining your battery when not in use. And when you need to top up your battery, you have a 40-watt SuperCharger in the box, so you can charge it back up, say to 70% in just 30 minutes. The P30 Pro also features Huawei's 15-watt wireless quick charging, so if you work from home like me, you can just leave it on the wireless charging mat to keep it topped up throughout the day. Let's not forget the P30 Pro can also be used as a wireless charging device. So with reverse wireless charging, you can use it to power other devices too. Next is performance. The P30 Pro is no slacker when it comes to performance. It has the latest 7nm Kirin 980 processor with dual NPU and the latest Android 9 powered EMUI 9.1. For you, it means app will load a lot faster. You can run multiple applications without any sweat. The dual NPU and AI will be working to keep your device just like new, say 2 years down the line. Couple that powerful processor with 8GB of RAM no matter what storage capacity you go for, and you have a buttery smooth device. For the gamers out there, the P30 Pro uses a Mali G76 MP10 GPU to make sure your games run buttery smooth, even when cranked up to high settings. Next up is photography, and Huawei is rewriting the rules of photography when it comes to the P30 Pro. When I first heard of the tagline, I really wanted to put it to use and actually see what it actually meant. On the back is a Leica quad camera setup. So you have a 40MP Huawei Super Spectrum lens, 8MP 5x optical periscope zoom lens, a 20MP ultra wide angle lens, and a time of flight lens as well. With an ultra wide angle lens, you can get more in with more than 120 degrees, 16mm focal length available to you. Its zoom capability means you can go 5x optical zoom with image stabilization. You got 10x hybrid zoom as well, so you can zoom in further, and a 50x digital zoom. Now you might ask, why would you need that? Think concert, think football matches when you want to get closer without the need to physically move closer to the subject. The P30 Pro is also excellent, magical even, when it comes to low light photography. Previously, we've had to rely on night mode, which is still there by the way, but now we can shoot without night mode in the dark and turn night into day. The P30 Pro can go over 400,000 ISO, which is just insane. With time of flight lens, you can capture more detail in your portrait bokeh shots. Huawei is also rewriting the rules of photography by ditching that traditional RGB sensor with RYYB. So instead of red, green, blue, you have red, yellow, yellow, blue. So you can capture more colors. And with Master AI, the P30 Pro will ensure you get the best shots possible without even trying too hard. There's also a 32MP camera on the front for the selfie lovers out there, and it's also designed to handle low light shots very well. Next up, we have security. Again, this is very important to everyone, to myself as well. And for security, you can unlock the phone the good old way using a pin or pattern if you like. But you can also use the P30 Pro's face unlock or its in-screen fingerprint sensor, which both work super fast. You just have to change your settings if you like, from slide to unlock, or just unlock it straight away as well, depending on your preference really. Huawei said the fingerprint sensor is more secure and faster than ever, and I can actually see how fast this is. The biometric face unlock works using the front-facing 32MP camera. Besides those awesome features that I've mentioned, the P30 Pro is a beautiful piece of hardware. It has a 6.47 full view display, curved design as well, which is really nice, especially when holding it in hand. Nice aspect ratio. And you got some nature-inspired color options available for you as well. So you can choose from Breathing Crystal, Aurora, Black, and Amber Sunrise, which is my favorite one. Anyway, guys, as usual, do let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you going to be buying one? If you need to find out more information on where to purchase and so on, all that information will be in the description area. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button as well, so you'll be one of the first people to know when there's a new video on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.